Poland, officially known as the Republic of Poland, is a country located in Central Europe. Here's an overview. 1. Capital, Warsaw. 2. Population, approximately 38 million people. 3. Language, Polish is the official language. 4. Government, Poland is a unitary parliamentary republic. The president is the head of state, while the prime minister is the head of government. 5. Geography, Poland is bordered by Germany to the west, the Czech Republic and Slovakia to the south, Ukraine and Belarus to the east, Lithuania to the northeast, and the Baltic Sea to the north. Its landscape includes the Carpathian and Sudeten Mountains, vast plains, and numerous rivers and lakes. 6. Economy, Poland has a mixed economy with a strong industrial base, robust agricultural sector, and growing service industry. It is a member of the European Union and has experienced significant economic growth over the past few decades. 7. Culture. Poland has a rich cultural heritage influenced by its history and geographical location. It is known for its contributions to music, literature, art, and science. Notable Polish figures include composer Frédéric Chopin, scientist Marie Curie, and writer Adam Mickiewicz. 8. Landmarks. Warsaw. Visit the historic Old Town, the Royal Castle, and the Warsaw Uprising Museum. Kraków. Explore the medieval Old Town, Wawel Castle, and the historic Kazimierz district. Wieliczka Salt Mine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site featuring underground tunnels, chapels, and sculptures carved from salt. Auschwitz-Birkenau, the largest Nazi concentration and extermination camp, now a memorial and museum. Gdańsk, a port city with a rich maritime history and beautiful architecture, including the medieval Gdańsk Crane and St. Mary's Church. Zakopane, a popular mountain resort town in the Tatra Mountains, known for hiking, skiing, and traditional wooden architecture. 9. Climate. Poland has a temperate climate with cold winters and warm summers. The climate varies from oceanic in the north and west to continental in the east and south. 10. Transportation. Poland has a well-developed transportation network, including extensive railways, highways, and several international airports. Major airports include Warsaw Chopin Airport, Krakow John Paul II International Airport, and Gdańsk Lech Wałęsa Airport. 11. Sports. Football. Soccer is the most popular sport in Poland, with a strong following for both the national team and club teams. Other popular sports include volleyball, handball, and winter sports such as skiing and ice hockey. 12. Cuisine. Polish cuisine features hearty and flavorful dishes such as pierogi, dumplings, bigos, hunter's stew, kiełbasa, sausage, and żurek, sour rye soup. Traditional Polish meals often include bread, potatoes, and meat. 13. Tourism. Poland is a growing tourist destination known for its historical sites, natural beauty, and vibrant cities. Key tourist attractions include the cities of Warsaw and Krakow, the Tatra Mountains, the Masurian Lake District, and the Baltic Sea coast. 14. History. Poland has a complex and rich history, marked by periods of prosperity and turmoil. It was a major European power in the late Middle Ages and Renaissance, endured partitions and occupations, and played a significant role in World War II. The Solidarity movement in the 1980s led to the fall of communism and the establishment of a democratic government. 5. Festivals. Poland hosts numerous cultural and religious festivals throughout the year, such as the Krakow Film Festival, Warsaw Autumn, a contemporary music festival, and traditional celebrations like Christmas and Easter, which are deeply rooted in Polish culture and customs. Poland's blend of historical depth, cultural richness, and natural beauty makes it a fascinating country to explore and understand.